Hey you guys, thank you for tuning in. I hope you all are having a great day or night wherever you are. In today's video, we're going to talk about my all-time favorite black liquid eyeliners that are cruelty-free from the Indian market, and they are all under rupees 800. If you're new here, hi, my name's Preeti. I'm India's first cruelty-free beauty blogger. I talk about all things cruelty-free, and I also cover vegan beauty and lifestyle tips. If this is the kind of content that you might enjoy, then please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I put up a video, and continue watching today's video. Now, majority of these eyeliners are my absolute favorites since years now. I've been recommending these to you guys online, to my friends, my family, offline. I absolutely love them. Some of them I discovered in 2020. Nevertheless, these are my absolute favorites. All of these are drugstore finds. None of them are luxury. And if you get them on a good sale, you can get a solid discount on these. Majority of these are precision eyeliners. I love precision eyeliners mainly because I like to get my wing, the inner corners, everything perfectly. And precision eyeliners allow me to do that. We've got 9 liquid eyeliners right here. These are my absolute favorites. Absolutely love them. All right, let's get started with each of these. I'm going to do a quick swatch to show you how they apply as well. Now, all of these are amazing in their own way. I'm not going to start with the best to the worst or worst to the best, nothing like that. All of these are amazing in their own way. So we're going to start with the first one. This is the Faces Canada All-Time Pro Matte Play Eyeliner in black. This is what it looks like. This is a solid matte eyeliner. It dries down completely matte, and it has a very charcoal-like color to it. So it isn't the blackest black out there. It is very black, but when it dries down, it's more like a deep charcoal color. This is what the felt tip looks like, and I'm going to quickly do a swatch right here. Now, within a few seconds, it's dried down completely matte. I thickened the line a bit to show you guys how it looks. It's still drying right here. So if you see, it's a very deep charcoal color. It's not the blackest black, but it's solid matte. This is great for anybody who loves solid matte. You can layer this easily with your makeup. It does not smudge. It's not the most waterproof, not the most sweat-proof either, but it's going to last you at least 5 to 6 hours. So I would not recommend this for a sweaty day or a rainy day, you know, or if you have extremely oily skin and you wing it out, it could smudge out a bit. It also tends to crack ever so slightly because it's a very dry formula. But it's still one of my favorites because, you know, when I'm doing a matte makeup look, completely matte, all matte, everything, this is the eyeliner I go for. I don't want any shine of glossiness at all. The next one is one of my all-time favorite eyeliners since almost 2 to 3 or even more years. This is the I Want You So Double Matte Eyeliner in Black Swan from Sugar Cosmetics. This is what it looks like. It's a precision tip, and we're going to swatch it really quick right next to this Faces Canada one. Now, I've pressed it a little harder because I wanted a thick line. You could also make a very thin line like so. It's perfect for a precision eyeliner. Now, this takes a little more time to dry compared to the Faces Canada one, but nevertheless, it's a very dark black. Unfortunately, I don't think the camera can pick up how dark this is compared to this. They both look the same on the camera, but this is a darker black. Now, this does not crack on the corners of your eyes, unlike the Faces Canada one. So it's great for anybody who has a lot of lines on the corners of their eyes. I think it's called crow's feet. That's what it's called, those wrinkles. This is really cool, you guys. I absolutely love this. It is very waterproof, very smudge proof. It will slightly smudge out in the corners of your eye if you have watery eyes. So if you want to make that sharp line, this is not going to be the best option for that. Nevertheless, I really like this because it's solid matte and it's very, very black. The next one is the Magnet Eyes eyeliner from Faces Canada. I love this so much. It is so budget friendly, you guys. This is an amazing eyeliner. It's not mattest matte. It's barely even matte, but it is so waterproof. It does not move. You can go swimming with this. You can layer this on your glitter. You can layer this on your metallic eyeshadows. It does not move. You can use it on the inner corners as well. Like right now, I've used it on the inner corners because this will not move no matter how teary-eyed you get. I'm going to swatch this right here, and I'm pressing it down because I want it to be like a thicker line so that you guys know what's up. But of course, you can wing it out and make like a thinner line as well. That's so messy. It's dried down quite shiny, you guys. It's very black, but because it's reflecting the light, it looks a little light. It's quite glossy. It's not matte at all. So as you can see, it's got a nice sheen to it. It'll be great for anybody who likes glossy eyeliners. I don't necessarily hate them. I just go on top with the matte eyeliner and it just mattifies the whole thing. Very waterproof, very difficult to remove, so it's great. It's gonna last you 12 hours and it's actually a very nice formula. It's very, very affordable. I highly recommend this to anybody. Even if you like matte eyeliners, just go on top with a matte one and you're sorted. It's easy to work with because it has that flexible tip like a brush. It's very nice to make precision eyeliners, graphic eyeliners and everything. Very, very good stuff. The next one is from e.l.f. and this is what it looks like. I've already spoken about this in my makeup tutorial with all my e.l.f. products. So this is what the precision tip looks like and I'm going to quickly apply it. Let me just do it like this because it's so difficult to look into the screen. You see how watery it is? It just feathers out, so you have to be very careful when you apply this. You will have to go over with 2 or 3 coats, but when you're done with it, it's a very nice finish. So that's what I've got here. So on the inners, I've got the Faces Canada one, and on the outside, I've got this eyeliner. So if you notice, it's still drying down, you guys, and it's not very matte. This is not very matte. It's not that glossy like the Faces Canada one, but it's definitely not the most matte because if you see these two right here, these are solid matte. This eyeliner does take its sweet time to dry, so if you're in a hurry, this is not going to be the eyeliner for you, but you need to apply at least 2 to 3 coats because the first one gives you a very sheer coverage, which is so strange for an eyeliner. It's a very watery formula. It's e.l.f. you guys. e.l.f. is the cheapest drugstore brand in the States, so it's very affordable, but it's really nice. So if you have a lot of lines on your eyes or if you have crow's feet right here, this is not going to be the eyeliner for you because since it's so watery, it feathers out and that's going to work against your graphic eyeliner look. This is great for anybody who doesn't have a lot of lines on their eyelids. The next one is one of my all-time favorites. I've been using this for really long now. This is from Color Bar. It's a waterproof liquid eyeliner. This is what it looks like. I really like this. This is very, very matte and it just looks amazing on the eyes, you guys. It's one of my favorites. This is what it looks like. It picks up a lot of products, so be sure to just clean it up. And that's what it looks like. It's got a nice, very thin felt tip. I love the fact that this dries down really fast. So if you are somebody who's on the go and you don't want to waste too much time, this is the perfect eyeliner for you. It's very budget friendly and it's super matte, very black. It does not feather out on the inner corners, does not feather out right here. On super oily eyelids, even without any eyeshadow, you can just go in with this. However, if you do have very oily eyelids, a general tip, use some loose powder. Not compact, use a loose powder that absorbs all of that oil. They just absorb all that excess sebum really well. That helps your eyeliner stay longer. So this one has already dried up, you guys. Look at how matte that is. So this is just one single coat. You don't need a lot of coats with this. I absolutely love how this has worked. Look at how shabby this is. Oh my God. I'm just going really fast with this, you guys, but this is what it looks like. Really like it. It's a very black color. On the camera, it doesn't pick up, but it's actually very, very black. It lasts a good 6 hours, post which it starts to smudge out a bit, feather out a bit, it dries up and balls up a bit, which is okay because if you're going to be wearing it for just an event, this is great. The next one is from Kiko Milano and this is a precision eyeliner. Again, one of my all-time favorites, you guys. This is the pricier one of the entire lot, but it is still under 800 rupees. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's a very solid precision tip. Now this dries down pretty fast as well. It's almost 90% dried out. It's a very nice formula. It's very, very good for oily eyelids, very good for graphic eyeliner, inner corner, winged eyeliner. It does not feather out. It's smudge proof, it's waterproof. It works really well even on glitter. It works really well just by itself on nude eyeshadows. I really like this, you guys. It's one of my favorite eyeliners because it's matte, black, it's long lasting, doesn't feather out, and it's perfect for the inner corner as well. The precision tip of this is the most precise compared to all the eyeliners we're going to talk about today. As you can see, it's dried down really fast. The precision tip is perfect. It's a very matte color similar to the mattes up here, and this does not crack at all. I highly recommend this if you want to splurge just a bit and you want to touch that 800 rupee mark, this is the one that you should get because it's just perfect. The next one is from Lakme, and this is their iconic eyeliner, and this is what it looks like. Very, very budget friendly. This is one of their recent launches. I really like this one because it's very affordable. It's not the most mattest out there. In fact, it's a little glossy. I really like it because this does not move. It is so smudge proof, it is so waterproof. It's very difficult to remove too, but I absolutely love it because it lasts almost 12 plus hours on the eyes. This is what the tip looks like, you guys. It's quite long. It's very, very long compared to most of the eyeliners that we've spoken about already so far. It's a very nice shape, perfect for a graphic eyeliner look. Now, the good part about this is that it dries down. Okay, it's dried down already, but it does not dry when you're applying it. I mean, you have enough time to work with it. And once you're done, it just dries down in like less than 10 seconds. So this is the Lakme Iconic Eyeliner. It looks quite matte, but it's slightly glossy in person, you guys. It's a little glossy on the eyes, but I don't mind it because it's not very, very glossy. Unlike these two eyeliners, you can see how much they shine. This doesn't shine as much, so it's fine. If you like matte eyeliners, you can still play around with this because it doesn't feel too glossy on the eyes. I am super impressed with this formula. Very long lasting, set the bar up really high for the brands in the Indian market. It's waterproof, it's very, very black. Not the mattest, but not very glossy. So even if you're a matte lover like me, you will still like this. The next one is from e.l.f. again, and this is a precision liquid eyeliner in black. I think this is a very good product for anybody who's tight on budget again. Great for office going people, great for college, school, whatnot. So this is what the tip looks like. It's not the most precision. I think I got a damaged product. I'm not too sure, but this is what it looks like. This is again a watery formula, just like the previous e.l.f. one that we spoke about. However, this does not feather out. So if you had to pick between both of them, I would choose this for a beginner or for somebody who has a lot of lines on their eyes. So this has dried down, and if you can notice that it's still quite glossy, just like these two right here. It's quite glossy. I really like it, you guys. I usually go on top with the matte black eyeliner because I don't like the glossy feel. It's very glossy compared to the Lakme one, but nevertheless, it's a great eyeliner. So this is great for anybody who likes glossy eyeliners. Very good stuff, very budget friendly. It is smudge proof, it is waterproof, and it does not budge. We are finally on to the last eyeliner of this video. This is the LA Colors Liquid Eyeliner. I really like this, you guys. I think it's very affordable. It's one of the cheapest, and it's great for anybody who's got a tight budget, doesn't want to spend too much money, and still wants a good cruelty-free eyeliner in India. This is what it looks like. The tip is very similar to the Lakme one. I'm going to draw a line right about the first eyeliner that we swatched. Now, the good part about this eyeliner is that it dries down really fast, you guys, and it's so nice to play around with for graphic eye makeup, for the inner corner extension, for a winged eye. This will work really, really well. So it's not the blackest black, you guys. It's not very, very black, but it's still a very good eyeliner if you like matte eyeliners. And those are all my favorite top 9 black liquid eyeliners from the drugstore, you guys. Some of them are matte, some of them are super matte, some of them are super glossy. I absolutely love each one of them because they all work in different ways on different eye makeup looks. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit that like button so that way I know you really enjoyed watching this video. And let me know what other videos like these would you like to see. So I've done something like eyeliners. Would you want to see concealers, loose powders, anything like that? Let me know. I would love to hear from you. All right, you guys, I'm going to catch you in the next videos. But before I go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out my previous videos right here. Take care of yourself and choose more cruelty-free makeup. Bye.